this recipe you are going to need some pork, and I'm using farm fresh organic pork. Next up, you're also going to need some crushed ginger and garlic. Then I'm going to take some dry red chilies, and of course you cannot miss out on the Raja Mircha or the king chilies. And next I'm taking some fermented dried bamboo shoot. I couldn't get the wet ones. The fermented wet bamboo shoots are also amazing if you can get that, well and good. Otherwise you can use the dried version. Next I'm placing my thick bottom pan on medium flame, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the pork directly like so. Then you want to add in some salt according to your taste. Just roughly mix the salt with the meat, and then you want to go ahead and put on the lid and cook the pork and stir it occasionally so it does not stick to the pan. And you will notice that the pork starts releasing its own water, and you want to cook the pork in its own juices. So keep covering the lid and stirring it. Repeat this process till the entire water is dried up. Once the water dries up, you will notice that the pork starts releasing its fats. So you will get this kind of an oily meltdown on your pan. And once you have accumulated quite a bit of the oils from the fat, you just want to go ahead and drain the oil out with the help of a spoon like so. And this is what I really love about Naga food. They eat really delicious food, but they try to make it as healthy as possible. And this pork fat, once it cools down, it looks like that. As you can see, it looks like butter. So you can use this to fry rice, or you can use this to fry any sort of vegetables. You can basically use this instead of butter or oil. So coming back to the pork, now I'm just gonna add about 1 liter of cold water. Then I'm gonna go ahead and drop in my dried red chilies and the dried king chilies as well. And we're gonna allow this water to boil halfway through. Once the chilies are nice and soft, we're going to remove them and crush them roughly like so. And then we're going to add this paste back to the pork. This is when I also go ahead and add the dried bamboo shoot, because when you're using dried bamboo shoot, it needs some time to get soft and tender. So you want to add it when the water is halfway through. But in case you're using wet fermented bamboo shoot, then you can add it later when I add the ginger and garlic. But if you're using the dried one, add it earlier. So yeah. Just go ahead and put on the lid and let it simmer till the water is almost dried up. And once you feel that the pork is almost done, I mean it's going to get cooked in the next 5 to 10 minutes, that is when you want to add your ginger and garlic paste. This really gives a boost of flavor to your pork, and the smell, oh my god, it smells almost heavenly. It's a very, very strong smell, so even your neighbors might be able to smell this. So once you add the ginger and garlic, just cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes till the water is almost dried up, and then your pork is ready to be served. Now the Nagas enjoy their smoked pork with some rice, some greens on the side, some yellow dal of course, the pork itself, some boiled veggies in the side, and any Naga thali is incomplete without a spicy king chili chutney. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more. And if you have any other requests, don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.